In this session, we will learn the basic building blocks of Python programming language. Let's start with variables. Variable is the name of memory location where data is stored, which the program can modify in its execution loop. In Python, variables need not be pre-declared, but are declared when we assign value to it. Variables are case sensitive and should start with an alphabet or an underscore. For example, a variable named myVar is assigned a value of John, which is a string representation of the data it stores. Now let us understand what is a data type. Data type is an attribute of data which tells the compiler how the programmer will use the data. The most basic data types available in Python are numbers, string, and boolean value. Let us see how to define variable and assign data type to it. Now in the editor we define three variables a, b, and c and assign integer value to a, string to b, and floating point value to c. Now to see the data type of variables, we use built-in function called type, which shows us the type of the object we pass to it. Print command will print the data type of the variable after running the script. Here in the output we see that data type of variable a is an integer, variable b is string, and c is float. This way we can examine data type of any variable. Now we reassign the value of a from integer value of 10 to string value and see that data type of variable changes at runtime without any problem, which is not possible in static languages like C# or Visual Basic. In any programming language, keywords are reserved words that have special meaning to the compiler. Keywords cannot be used as variables or identifiers. Python language has a large list of keywords as seen in this table which are used in program statements. For example, keywords like continue, break, and pass are part of control loop statements. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler or interpreter to perform specific mathematical, relational, or logical operations and produce final result. Operators are used in program to build logic and control the flow of program. In Python, we get variety of operators, namely arithmetic operators to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division between operands. Comparison operators to compare value of two operands and return boolean true or false. Assignment operators to assign the value of right expression to the left operand. And logical operators such as and, or, and not for expression evaluation to make a decision.